Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video to show you this December special sales. Yeah, okay, I believe this is my last sales in 2019. Hopefully. Anyways, yeah, let me to show you one by one the image and inside the contents, the ingredients. I will not show you because I want you to open and get surprise for your goodies. Okay, what I show you is just the image, so you can choose which one you like most. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is I altered the hat with the rosette and the flower, and the dress I didn't do anything, and I make the handbag. I use the rosette to make the dress here, and look at this. And most of the item inside is pink and cream. Okay, so yeah, this is the kit, the box. All this is my handmade box. Yeah, I make this one, and I use the tool to make a shadow, like a shadow box, so you can see the ingredients inside. Okay, the contents. And this only have one set. The inside is the cream and pink and blue. So yeah, all the set here also have these two appliques, is the butterflies. So this is I ordered in the pink and blue lady, and the dress also like so. Okay, and the box. Okay, and this another one, and also pink and cream. All the ingredients inside except the blue one. This only have one, and all these 5 here, all will be the same. All inside is pink, cream, and pink and cream, something, and ivory, something like so. So this one, another one, I alter this. And yeah, I do this alter this Victorian. I have this goodie box before in 2016 or 17. Yeah, I ordered that one a bit small, and this one is a big box, and this one the box here. So all the ingredients inside, we have the bling and the rose, everything here. Okay, so this is another one. And the box length is 10 inches by 8, 10 by 8, and the thickness is I believe now I put all the thing in already 1.5, something like so. Okay, and this one another one, and I will list down. I will list A to B, maybe one set 1 or set 2, something, so you can see the picture, so you can place your order under the pictures. Okay, and I did this one, the dress layer with the lace, and put the rosette here, this one. Okay, and this is the paper. Okay, all the size same. Another one, and this dress. And I remember, yeah, so many of the crafters, they missed out their sales last time, and request me to make again, but I have no time. But yeah, since now I no need to do the money kit, so I can have the time to make some extra limited sales, so you can get this. So this one, so if you're interested, you have to hurry, cause yeah, and I not be able to make again. This one the hat like so, peachy pink. This one is peachy pink, and the box like so, the bottom. So yeah, all this I will list down the number under the the picture. So you just place the order under the paper. Only all one pattern each, only have one. So yeah, thanks again for everyone, and yeah, for your purchase and your support in all this year, and I truly appreciate each one, especially to those the permanent member, that their continuous support, that really means a lot to me, and yeah, just make me feel that yeah, and I mean have the the inspiration to continue to make more kit to for you all in 2020. So yeah, thanks again for everyone, and we'll see you all soon in January. So yeah, actually I still have 2 exclusive kit, and I will post another video. The 2 exclusive set kit, maybe yeah, I will not for sale, cause I will see if still available. I will post a video and show you all. Okay. Yeah, that's it, and happy holiday, and just wish you all have a happy Merry Christmas and holiday to you all, and thanks again, and bye bye.